Watch till the end to get a special treat. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
So in this lesson, we are going to go over the Trace Bitmap feature. So we'll just open up a window here. Just search for some clip art. Let's say we're looking for something dramatic. I don't know, like Marvin the Martian. Silhouette. And I spelled silhouette wrong, but you get the idea. So we're just going to pull open the pictures here of Marvin the Martian, or that we might like. So just flip through these. Let's say we want this one. So I'm just going to right click this, save it, save image as. I'm just going to throw it in my downloads folder, minimize this. Now I'm going to go to my downloads folder, downloads, pull this in there. And here we have Marvin the Martian. Now with this selected, I'm just going to go up here to Path, and I'm going to go to Trace Bitmap. It's right there. It's going to open a little Trace Bitmap window. It's going to give you a preview of it here. Now there are adjustments here, but I always leave mine alone. So I have 2 on the speckles, smooth corners at 1, and optimize at 2.0. Threshold at 4.5. Now sometimes you can change the threshold, but I pretty much have set these like this, and they work really great for me. I rarely have to change them. So once we have that where we want it, we're just going to hit apply. You're going to come over here and grab it. It doesn't look like it did anything, but it did. It traced it. So if you click on, if you hold this one says path, and if you click on this one says image. So that's how you can tell them apart. You want the path. So we're just going to take the image, hit the delete button, come over here, and that's how we traced our bitmap. Now, sometimes you'll have to clean these up. I'd have to clean this one up for sure. I mean, his eyes are kind of jagged looking here. So I might just get my node tool out and delete those and make that more of his eyes a little better looking, because it does distort things on occasion, depending how good or bad the drawing is. But, you know, honestly, you could probably almost cut those out. I might take the bottom of his sneakers out here, but, you know, I don't know what you're going for with your Trace Bitmap, but a lot of people see things online that they can't draw, or don't want to pay somebody to draw, or any number of things. I might do that to his sneakers just to get rid of some of the thinner lines, but, you know, depending how big you want to cut your particular thing out, or use them for an element in a sign, you know. One way to tell how thick some of the lines are is you can zoom in. Let's see, like that's probably like one of the thinnest parts in the sign at a glance. So what you can do is you can come up here and you can grab your circle tool, and holding control you can draw a circle that's that big and put your circle on the line. It's about that big, and you can come up here and see how big it is. So 0.104, 0.125, you know, I wouldn't cut anything smaller than that. You could probably get away with this one, maybe, but you'd be close. I like mine at least 1/8 of an inch thick. But that's how you use the Trace Bitmap feature. It works best with, you know, black and white images with no background, but that's about all there is to the Trace Bitmap tool. Let's move on to the next lesson.
What if I told you that mastering CNC plasma sign design and becoming a master at sales and marketing your work doesn't require expensive software or years of experience? You don't need to be a tech wizard. You just need the right tools, the right tutorials, and a proven step-by-step roadmap. I built my CNC plasma business from the garage with a 2-foot by 2-foot plasma table up to a 5,000 square foot full-blown metal fab shop and now I'm giving away the exact tools and pathway to how I did it. Inside is all of the information I wish I had when I first started 7 years ago. This includes a free Inkscape drawing tutorial video set that teaches you how to draw, design, and prep your files for plasma cutting like a pro, start to finish. And I'm also unlocking access to our CNC Plasma Sales Masterclass, where you'll learn how to turn your hobby into a full-blown, profitable business. When you click the link below, you'll get instant access to our step-by-step Inkscape training, ready-to-cut SVG sign files, our plasma sign pricing calculator, a free QuickBooks masterclass to track your sales, our complete CNC Plasma business roadmap, and my exclusive member-only content that I will never post on YouTube. Inside, you'll find tons of downloadable files and private video lessons waiting for you. If you're ready to stop guessing, if you're tired of endlessly searching YouTube, and ready to finally build a CNC plasma business that pays you what you're worth so that you can go full-time and quit your day job, you can escape the rat race just like I did, and I'm going to show you how. Click the link below in the description, sign up for free, and I'll see you inside.